Hi, today I have a Felicity Jane unboxing. This came in yesterday and I'm eager to start working on it, so I thought I'd go ahead and do an unboxing first. Okay, this is what it comes looking like. Isn't that gorgeous, with a black ribbon and a card that says hello. Thanks for the order. We can't see. Wait to see what you create. Okay, let's open this up. And this is how it comes. Now there are some items in here that I purchased separately from the kit, and I'll go over those last. First, let's go over the papers. This is how they come. This time I only purchased one pack of the papers. I always keep this is the Rebekah kit, and I always keep this to cut these into strips and use them as layering pieces. So here we go. This is the floral and dash. This is A. And here's the B. It's pluses and minuses. I don't know if you can see that. Then it's wood grain and chevron. Oh, it's a wonky chevron. Let's see. Then it's bold stripe and twigs. Oh, that's pretty. Then it's scallop and stripe. Then it's leopard and pinstripe. This is so in right now. Then it's bloom and plus. Oh, these are tiny, tiny plus signs. And then here are the colored cardstock that always comes with the kit. Okay, let me get those and flip them because these are all side B's. And I'll show you the A side. Let me do this again. Next time I'll do a better job of laying these out so you can see what they are. The stamp that comes with the kit is this. It's the Rebekah kit, and it's got a bunch of floral, hand-drawn floral items. Home, beautiful, family. This is perfect for this fall season. Here are the puffy letter stickers that come with it, the alphas. I like that it has the stars and the hearts. I also love that it has the hashtag. I always buy an extra alpha because I always run out of letters. So the kit only comes with one alpha, but I did buy a second one. Here is the die cut shapes. Here's what it looks like. And let's go ahead and open this up. It shows you all the different die cut shapes that come out of this little bundle here. Oh, I love these little shapes. Here's Rebekah. I always love getting her. Wonderful tags, those hand-drawn flowers, tabs, wonky hearts. Oh, beautiful. These are going to be fun to use and layer. Then here are the journal cards. This is what they come. Now the back always has some kind of graph or something so that you could always use the back if you didn't want to use these. Oh, I like this heart. Places to journal. Oh, maybe I have this upside down. October. Hello pumpkin. Scallops. Here are those flowers again. These colors are perfect for October. And this also comes with the kit. These are little charms. These look like they're made out of rubber. Yeah, these are little rubber charms. Look, they look like they could be little tags as well. That is adorable. And it says home today and happy, and then it's got some flowers, love, stripes. I love that stripe and the rainbow. Then comes these puffy stickers. It says love, family, home, smile, happy. Oh, this comes with vellum hearts. It says there's 27 pieces of these vellum hearts. Oh, I love these little vellum hearts. Look at that. Leopard, flower, polka dots, grid, stripes. That's going to be fun for layering as well. And the last thing that comes with this kit are vellum pockets. And this is what they look like. I love this because I could put journaling in if it's more private journaling. I can just journal something and put them in the pockets. It says notes. Let's see, where am I going to put this? Let's put the vellum hearts over here. Notes, this flower, polka dot, stripes, and this leopard print. Okay, now the things that I got on my own are these like mustard yellow mini clips, mini paper clips. That does not come with the kit. I also bought the Rebekah stamp. I love collecting these girls. I also purchased separately the 6x6 pad that comes with this paper. These are all the different cardstocks, but it comes in a miniature print. So there's that. And then I also purchased the traveler's notebook. Okay, and there you have it, the Felicity Jane Rebekah kit. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.